Mga kabarangay Lakers, talo na naman ng ating Lakers brothers. Wala, tinalo tayo dahil si Davis na injured na kagad nung first half pa lang. Kasi tinamaan yung mata niya, nagsarado yung mata niya kaya hindi na makalaro. Kaya nawala sa ang Team Lakers, sila LeBron. Tapos nagkaroon pa ng sa huli. Kaya papakita natin yung laro. Okay? Dito na po tayo. Sige po, tingnan po natin ano nangyari.
It was a tough one.
30 minutes was it for on the review?
Yep, 30 minutes review.
And the result, 128-121. The Dubs get the W despite 40 guys from LeBron James. So now the Lakers and Warriors tied for ninth in the Western Conference standing as it sits today. But the Warriors with a 2-1 series lead with one more between these two teams coming
Yep.
on
Ayan,
April 9th.
busog tuloy tayo. Wala na, 128-121 Warriors na